Bless up on yourself, my viewers and my subscribers. Good morning. You don't know, say New Link there from New Link Production. Now we say attack, attack, attack. Well, people, you don't know, say a long time New Link no cover none of them vibes the topic there. You know what I mean? With the relationship, something there, with that panty, something there. You don't know what we do a thing, no. Well, people, today New Link find a story. I really want to share the people man talk about. You understand? So we can just relax for the quarantine time now. And just hear the story. You get me? Because I'm going to share it in the car. You don't know, say New Link. We are going to show one of them sites, something the people, and we see an article just pop up and New Link say, I say, look, then me I go share it with my viewers and my subscribers. You hear me? I say. So right about now, people, it's a lady at the age of 26. You understand? She arrived to the site and thing. At the age of 26. And this lady says she have a problem now, people. Well, she says she have a husband, see? But they do have a child before they do get married together. So she says sometime last year now, people, she and the husband and they, plan a trip for go United States, which them are going to bring their local one, you know what I mean? Because I guess they are on visa and thing, people, because she said them are planning a local vacation, tell them a go around different parts of the states and thing, because she have a sister up there with her husband and them plans, so mom will take them around. So eventually what happened then, same time that they said speed, the husband, mother take sick in Jamaica, so him saying, can't leave his mother like that. So she said, then we cancel the vacation. His husband said, no man, take the youth and go on and go enjoy yourself. You know what I mean? Go and stay with mommy. So she said, okay, fine, then no problem. So she said she do take the trip, go over there, go enjoy yourself and thing, you know what I mean? Go tour on the place because as me tell her sister and brother-in-law over there and them carry her show around at that garden big place to go enjoy themselves. They look at you to enjoy yourself and everything. You know what I mean? So she vacation done and she come back home, people, and she come back home now. She said she just feel like something alright. You know what I mean? She just had a spirit that says something that feels 100. Even though she have this connection, she and her husband talk on the phone a lot. When they go, he talk to the mother who sick and everything, you know what I mean? So she knows her husband, their mother, yeah, husband not telling her and something. But she just don't feel something too right. So she said she comes up home now one day and go in her jar and she look people and she notice. She said to her panty there, Miss. You know, so she a woman, she check up on her panty them and I guess she have your amount. You know what I mean? No. She check up on her panty, so she to her panty there, Miss. And so she said 6 people. She said 2. You know what I mean? But them 2 they new. And she know she didn't buy them new one. They said the husband say, say, 2 of my panty there, Miss. Man start reel up and fly up and say, yo, wait about panty. So she say, funny, yeah, my babe. So I know husband's a quiet man. She knows there's something not too right, people. You understand? But she said she not, say to her, jazz then gone. You get me? I say. So she comes to boom now and one day she go to the husband gone out and she go over to the next door neighbor, the gardener, or the next door people that they go to the gardener who clean up the garden over there and say to the gardener, say, you see any woman coming to the yard like from what you know what I mean? The gardener say, yeah man, yes sir. Me see so woman that come there man, from what you? So okay. So she comes to boom now and she go to the husband and think people and one day in the bathroom and just when in the bathroom and take her slippers and starts and just slap him and say, hey, tell me the truth. When me auntie then there, which one you bring come and something? So husband still like this one and say, you not do this. So your husband never fire back no lick pan or nothing anything, but the husband say he never do this, he never do that and everything. So she say in the end now people, your husband still not tell her say yo him do it. I understand, but she knows say the 2 things them missing. So she say your husband say, yeah, buy what me something them. He say, answer her on the part there, you know what I mean? But she know deep inside, say, when she do the research, is because the man describe the girl, you know what I mean? Who him see her come there, is the husband extra more way back down the road there. From a good while ago, people and thing, you know what I mean? They say, at the end now, what she do? She still not go to him personally and say, say, the ex did come here or anything like that, you know what I mean? But she say, right now, she a plan to call the ex, but she not do it and ask her. But say in the end now, you know what I mean? She and her husband them still together, they not leave and everything, but still now come out and say, yo, say boom. I mean, maybe you want to take the panty them or something wrong, but boy, only just season he knows. So, in the end now, she actually advise and think people. I don't know any Link do it now. We always give away advice for anything. I mean, no, some viewers and subscribers in the comment now, I go leave for them advice for that one. Zine, but first of all, as we want to say to the ladies, you know what I mean? Boy, it's sticky in a certain way. And you know what I mean? I go say, to the side woman, the ex-girlfriend of the husband who did it, she's so stupid because there's no way she should have take panty. I don't know what reason, what cause she take the 2 panty them or something. I don't know what happened. You know what I mean? And in the end, the lady I say when she come, people, she suspects say something like because she see towel when normally if a guest use up and then something and she wonder say, oh, guest towel I use up and something, and I say, husband, should I ever wash them towel, you know what I mean? So you don't know if you're doing chicks or card or playing game, right? Well, in the end, people, honestly, you know what I mean? She asked the editor for advice on that, and the editor said to her, so listen, don't leave your husband, you know what I mean? But still, you know, say husband feel up on one level. You get me? I say, and the man say, don't call the ex-woman, which me that say the same thing. Nobody call the car, and at the end, maybe she not go tell you nothing, and you know what I mean? Things just get worse. So, you don't know, keep your eyes open, and you know what I mean? If you do continue, I go catch him, you know what I mean? But, boy, you just stick a lady. You man just take a jazz and gone with the star. John, I wish you could have really do with the panty then. Me I try to figure it out, you know, people, because, oh, she, you know, she never wear panty. Or she go there and something come down upon her and she want jazz or something. I just want she want jazz. I wonder if she can use the jazz to do something with it. I try to figure out it. When could I do with the jazz then? Eh? The puzzle interrupted panty thief. Oh, I second panty thief then. I third. No, sir. Bless up on the self viewers and my subscribers. If you don't want to subscribe, make sure you subscribe now. Because we say attack, attack, attack. And this is a new link, you know, from New Link Production. Peace out, respect, keep it good. Keep quarantining yourself. Stay away, stay away. Peace out, respect.